Hi guys, update tayo kay Alexa and Kiddy. Dito sa post na Kidilex International Sweethearts, KIS, kumbaga. Isa ako sa fan ng Kidilex. Since nasa bahay pa lang sila ni Kuya, as in, iniiyakan ko na talaga sila. So, number one fan talaga ako ng Kidilex. As in, ito na nga, may post nga ang KIS na ayon sa kanya, after many heartfelt conversation and with a mutual understanding, Kedelex decided to part ways as a love team due to the circumstances, external factors, and the people surrounding them, though their journey as a pairing has come to as in end na. The respect, care, and friendship between them remain. What Kedelex shared was a genuine and the happiness and memories, and the gift to all of us will always be cherished. As a fans, and we will forever treasure the journey and we share together the moments that made us laugh, cry, and hope, and as well as the friendship we found along the way. It has truly been beautiful roller coaster ride. To all the sweethearts out there, thank you so much. Thank you for the love and support in every moment of love. Laughter, edits, trends, prayers, patience, and understanding you give them through the years. They are deeply grateful for all of you and will always care that love and them whatever life. We hope and we can continue to give them same kindness and support us and forward individually. So ayan, kahit na magkakaiba nga sila ng project, wala na silang love team, end na ang love team nila, support pa rin tayo para sa kanila. In fairness sa ASAP nakita ko. Ewan ko bakit, ay, ba't ako naiyak, char? Kasi nakita ko si KD sa ASAP eh. Tapos, nung binuhat ni Jello si Alexa, after ng sayaw doon si KD, parang ang sakit sa part. Alam mo yung, alam kong ayon kay KD, Alexa and I were okay, continue communication. Alam kong ano lang niya yung kasi sa interview, pero masakit, syempre deep inside para kay KD. Sabi nga, wala siya magagawa kasi management naman ang nagdesisyon na hindi talaga sila forever o hindi talaga sila i-continue ang kanilang love team. So, nandoon na nga siya kay Jelex na nga. Pero nakikita ko grabe ang sweet ng Jelex ha. Yung the way makahawak si Jelo ng kamay ni Alexa. As in, hawak na may karapatan. Sobra. Sana, alam mo yung feeling kasi na andoon, kung example, andoon yung ex mo, tapos nagaganon sila. O either walang closure na wala silang ano talaga, tapos andoon yung isa si Kiddy. Tapos may mga ganong pangyayari na para bang sinasadya na ibibigay ni Jelo yung sweetness niya, pagiging sweet kay Alexa dahil andoon si Kiddy. Diba? Ang sakit sa part noon. Sabi, sabi sa nag-comment, oh, but I got so emotional. Haha. Sa ASAP XP Aranita, that feeling when you're stuck sitting behind Alexa with the jello and they're all sweet and stuff and you're right there, but it's so hard, so much inside, and of course very professional lang, no big deal deep inside, masakit para kay Kid. Oh, makaurat naman, grabe. Thank you KIS and continue to supporting them both even individually. Kaya Alexa and KD, okay naman sila. Supportahan na lang natin ng bawat isa. Pero kasi ako na mas daig yung puso ko kay KD talaga, as in. Naramdaman ko yung naramdaman ni KD ngayon. Sobrang alam kong mahal niya si Alexa. Wala siyang magagawa eh. Yun na yun eh. Sana hindi magbago ang bawat isa sa kanila.